In the ever-evolving narrative of human innovation, there comes a moment that defines the trajectory of our journey, a pivotal point that promises to alter the course of history. Such a moment arrived with a whisper of the wind and the promise of the skies as Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur known for his audacious endeavors with SpaceX and Tesla, unveiled what could only be described as the dawn of a new era in aviation: the introduction of a hypersonic aircraft. Our story begins not in the limelight of a grand unveiling, but in the quiet corners of curiosity and relentless pursuit of what's next. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with revolutionary advancements in space exploration and electric vehicles, had long harbored an ambition that seemed to touch the very edge of science fiction: a hypersonic aircraft capable of shrinking the globe under the might of its wings. The concept of hypersonic flight, defined by speeds exceeding Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, has tantalized and challenged engineers and dreamers alike. Musk's fascination with this concept wasn't just about breaking speed records. It was about redefining the parameters of human connectivity and exploring the bounds of physics. The journey to this revelation was neither simple nor swift. It was a saga of challenges, breakthroughs, setbacks, and relentless determination. The project, shrouded in secrecy, was developed under the auspices of SpaceX, leveraging the company's rich heritage of innovation and its culture of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As rumors swirled and speculation mounted, the world waited with bated breath for Musk's next big announcement. It arrived, as many of Musk's endeavors do, with a tweet that set the internet ablaze. The sky is no longer the limit. The unveiling was a spectacle that married the mystique of a magic show with the gravitas of a moon landing. Held at SpaceX's sprawling launch facility, the event attracted a constellation of celebrities, industry leaders, and media luminaries, all eager to witness history in the making. The aircraft, dubbed the Stratosprinter, was a marvel of engineering and design. Its sleek, aerodynamic body, constructed from advanced materials capable of withstanding the extreme temperatures of hypersonic flight, glinted under the spotlight. Musk, ever the showman, detailed its capabilities with a mixture of technical acumen and palpable excitement. The Stratosprinter, he proclaimed, could travel from New York to Tokyo in less than 2 hours, shattering the limitations of time and distance. A deep dive into the technology. What set the Stratosprinter apart wasn't just its breathtaking speed, but the technological innovations that made such performance possible. Musk took the audience on a deep dive into the aircraft's propulsion system, a hybrid engine that combined the best aspects of rocket and jet technology, enabling efficient travel through both the atmosphere and the edge of space. Equally impressive was the Stratosprinter's environmental footprint. In an age where climate change looms large, Musk assured that the aircraft was designed with sustainability in mind, utilizing synthetic fuels and advanced emissions reduction technologies. But the Stratosprinter was more than an aircraft. It was a symbol of a larger vision. Musk spoke eloquently about the future it portended, a world where distance was no longer a barrier to human interaction and exploration. This was not just about faster travel. It was about making the world a smaller, more connected place. Musk also hinted at the broader implications of the technology behind the Stratosprinter. The same innovations, he suggested, could one day revolutionize space travel, bringing us closer to the dream of Mars colonization. Yet for all the excitement, the unveiling of the Stratosprinter was not without its skeptics and challenges. Critics questioned the feasibility of widespread hypersonic travel, citing concerns over cost, safety, and environmental impact. Musk acknowledged these challenges head-on, emphasizing the project's early stages and his commitment to addressing these concerns through innovation and regulatory collaboration. As the event concluded and the Stratosprinter rolled back into its hangar, the world was left to ponder the implications of Musk's latest venture. For supporters, it was a bold step into the future. For detractors, a quixotic quest fraught with hurdles. Yet regardless of perspective, there was a common recognition of the audacity of Musk's vision and the transformative potential of the Stratosprinter. For supporters, the Stratosprinter is more than an aircraft. It's a symbol of progress, embodying the spirit of exploration and innovation that has always propelled humanity forward. They see Musk's venture as a bold assertion that the future is here, and it's faster, closer, and more interconnected than we ever imagined. In this vision, the Stratosprinter is not merely a machine, but a catalyst for global unity, bringing distant cultures and economies together in ways previously confined to the realms of science fiction. This perspective is buoyed by the belief in Musk's track record of turning the implausible into reality. From electric cars becoming mainstream to the revitalization of space exploration, his endeavors have often challenged the status quo, reshaping industries and societal expectations along the way. Thus, supporters argue the Stratosprinter could similarly revolutionize air travel, making hypersonic flight a common aspect of our global society. Conversely, detractors view the unveiling of the Stratosprinter with a mix of skepticism and concern. Their apprehensions stem from several fronts: the technological challenges of making hypersonic flight safe, reliable, and accessible, the environmental implications of sustaining such speeds across our skies, and the economic barriers that could make it a privilege of the few rather than a new standard for all. Critics question the practicality of Musk's vision, suggesting that the enthusiasm for the Stratosprinter might underestimate the complexity of its realization. They point to the history of aviation and space exploration, fields littered with ambitious projects that, while groundbreaking, faced formidable obstacles in scaling from concept to everyday reality. Yet, even among the chorus of voices ranging from fervent support to cautious skepticism, there's a shared acknowledgement of the significance of Musk's announcement. The Stratosprinter, with all its promise and challenges, underscores a universal human trait: the relentless pursuit of progress. Whether one views the project as the next giant leap or a cautionary tale in the making, there's no denying the audacity of Musk's vision and the transformative potential it holds for the future of transportation and, by extension, human connectivity. This recognition extends beyond the immediate implications for air travel, touching on broader themes of innovation, environmental stewardship, and the ongoing dialogue between technological advancement and societal well-being. As the Stratosprinter project moves forward, it will undoubtedly serve as a focal point for discussions on these critical issues, challenging us to envision and work towards a future that balances ambition with responsibility, innovation with inclusivity. As the Stratosprinter rolled back into its hangar, signaling the close of its grand unveiling, the journey it symbolizes is only beginning. The path ahead is fraught with technical challenges, regulatory hurdles, and ethical debates, yet it also gleams with the potential for unprecedented breakthroughs in how we understand and experience our world. The ensuing months and years will be critical in shaping the trajectory of the Stratosprinter and the future of hypersonic travel. Will it soar into the annals of history as a pioneering venture that brought the world closer together? Or will it serve as a cautionary tale of ambition clashing with the harsh realities of physics, economics, and environmental sustainability? Only time will tell. But one thing remains clear: the unveiling of the Stratosprinter by Elon Musk has ignited a global conversation about the future of transportation, the limits of human achievement, and the infinite potential that lies in the pursuit of dreams that stretch beyond the horizon. In the weeks and months that followed, the hypersonic aircraft became a beacon of debate, a symbol of potential, and a testament to the unyielding human spirit that drives us to explore the unknown. The Stratosprinter's journey had just begun, and the world watched, eager to see how high and how far it would go. In the story of human achievement, there are chapters filled with triumphs, failures, and unyielding quests for progress.